Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial where I'll be showing you how to install Microsoft SQL Server on a Mac. Although it isn't natively supported on a Mac, we can do it through the Docker. So let's dive into it. Alright, now we'll install Docker Desktop. We'll install for the Apple Silicon. So after the download completes, so we'll install it. Docker, extract this image and drag and drop the application. So we should be able to see it over here. Perfect. Now we'll open this one. Open. So for now, we don't have any images and containers. So now our next step will be installing Microsoft SQL Server. Docker Microsoft SQL Server, and you should be able to get this one from the Microsoft and copy this and just open your terminal and paste. Allow. Now Microsoft SQL Server download has been completed. So now type in docker run. I'll just this one. I'll do not worry, I will provide all of this code in the description. So it's just simple. uh, we have the SA password. You need to change this one. I am leaving it as it is for now, and the name will be SQL Server. For this one you can change the name. I'm leaving it as SQL Server. Okay, hit enter. Perfect. And it is giving the warning. So it's just the warning, we don't have to worry about that. So let's see in the Docker. So we have images. We have SQL Server image, and the container is running in port 1433. Let's verify Docker PS. It is showing that Microsoft SQL Server is running over the port 1433. So now our next step is to install Azure Data Studio. So for that we go over the Chrome and type in Azure Data Studio download Mac. So Apple Silicon, extract this image, open the Azure Data Studio, open. Now we'll create a new connection and Microsoft SQL Server, and our server is running on localhost 1433. You can verify it by looking at this one, localhost 1433. SQL login and username is SA, and the password for me it is random at the rate 123. So I'll type it 3. I'm fine with this one. Now connect. We need to enable trust certificate, so just click on enable trust certificate. Perfect. Now the database is running. So we'll verify whether it is running correctly or not. For that we'll type in create database test tb and go. Run the command, and command has been successfully executed. You can verify it from here. Go to the database and test.db is here. Perfect. Now everything is running properly. One last thing, I will show you how to stop the SQL server. Uses docker stop SQL server. It will stop, and if you want to start it again, then you can just type docker start SQL server. Perfect. That's all. So yeah, that's all for today. If you like my video, then you can give a thumbs up, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.